Welcome to my new video. So in this video I will tell you how to install C software. So let's begin. You need a setup here. So we have a setup. I already gave the link in the video from where you can download this setup. So let's begin. Just double click on the link so you can see your setup is started. So just let it reach to 100%. So when it reaches to 100%, a pop-up window will open. So here we start. Just press OK. Then next I agree. Then next, here you can select your location where you want to install. Next, so let it extract all files. Once it will finish, your software is almost installed in your PC. So let it. So here just press finish button. So just wait for some time to launch the application. So here the application is launched now. So here just you need to do more settings. So press next. If you want to add or change font size, you can change from here. So we'll don't want to change, so press next. If you want to exclude or include the inbuilt file, you can do that here. So I don't want to exclude those, so next. It will take some time to set this software as your prescription. So just wait for 5 to 6 seconds. It will get installed. So just press OK now. Your preferences has been already set. How you want your software to be compile your files. So just wait for 10 seconds. It will start. After when this setup will finish, you can run your program in your compiler. So your compiler is ready, so you can go to file, new, source file, and here it is ready to execute your files. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.